This is the RoyalAxe 75% mechanical keyboard. Let's dive in. What's up everybody, it's PJ the Great. I hope you're having a super beautiful day, and today I have with me the RoyalAxe 75% mechanical keyboard. This keyboard regularly goes for $36.99. I just happened to pick it up on a sale for $29.99, and on top of that they were offering a $10 coupon which brought it down to $19.99. Let's go over the specs. So the RoyalAxe F75 is a mechanical gaming keyboard that has a 75% layout. It has a charming blue LED backlight that allows you to change the movements up to 20 backlight modes. Let's take a look at that right now. It has an ergonomic design and two sound absorbing foams that gives it its great sound with the included linear red switches. Now these switches are not hot swappable, you're stuck with them, but I'm going to let you know right now, these red switches, whatever they are a pleasure to type on. It has an easy toggle function that goes between Windows, Mac, and iOS, and it has an exceptional RoyalAxe driver so that you can set up macros on this thing. And another thing I should point out too, this is a partnership with ProtoArc. The F75 has a solid build to it. As I twist on it right here, there's no movement whatsoever. So this is a solidly built keyboard. On the back here, we have 4 feet that'll stop it from sliding off your desk. And we have 2 levels of adjustment. So if you want to raise it up high or a little bit lower, you can do so in the back. The keycap quality is pretty nice on here. They kind of look like cherry profile, but I would assume that they're OEM. The keycaps are pretty nice. They seem to be PBT quality, and it lends to the sound when you're typing on this thing. All in all, the F75, solid keyboard. Now the unboxing experience that you get with this keyboard is pretty high quality. They're treating you like you purchased something that was way more than $36.99 or $19.99. Inside of the box you get the keyboard, of course, and you get this nice little envelope that makes it look like you were invited to a party. And inside the envelope you get your instruction manual. You also get a keycap puller, and you get your USB-C cord in its own separate box, and in another box you get a set of extra keycaps. Just in case you don't like the two-tone black and gray, you can go with a solid black look. There's really no knocking the quality of this keyboard. I really can't knock it at all. The only thing that I can say about it is the fact that it's only wired. You cannot use it wireless, and it is not hot swappable. Now at the price tag of $36.99, I would have to give it a hard pass because of keyboards out there like the Ajazz AK820. That is hot swappable, and you get it for around the same price. But if you can snag this thing up for $29.99 and that $10 coupon off to bring it down to $19.99, I say this keyboard is a steal. Despite the price, this is actually one of my favorite keyboards in my collection. I love typing on this thing. The way it feels is very smooth and it's very sturdy. It has no gasket mounting on it, so it has absolutely no flex to it whatsoever. So why don't we get to the part that you all been waiting for? Let's give you a sound test. As you can hear there from the sound test, this thing sounds amazing. It feels amazing to type on. What a high quality keyboard. Like I mentioned, there's really no knocks that I can give it. On a rating scale of 1 to 10, I would have to give this keyboard a solid 8.5 out of 10. And the reason why I give it that rating is because if you get it for $36.99, I would say pass it by. As mentioned, get the Ajazz AK 820. But if you can snag this for $19.99, this is a steal. You're stealing this keyboard at $19.99. If you're an average consumer and you really don't care about hot swappability, and you don't really care about gasket mounting, and you're not concerned about wanting to mod it in the future, this is a major go at $19.99. I highly recommend you give this some thought because this is amazing. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. It's a link to Amazon. That's where I picked this keyboard up if you're interested in checking it out for yourself. Hey, if you like this video, do me a favor and give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. And until I see you in the next video, this is your boy PJ the Great saying Audi 5000G. Actually, I'm not joking. This is actually one of my favorite keyboards in my collection. Only $19.99. It's nice, solid build. Build quality is like a lot better than some keyboards that I own that cost a lot more than this.